Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your Spotify 2024 Wrapped into Instagram stories. So if you want to let your friends know what you hear or what your music recap in 2024, you can just share the 2024 Spotify Wrap to the Instagram story. And here I'm going to show you how. First, let's just open the Spotify application. So if you want to find your Spotify Wrap, then you need to use the Spotify on mobile because it doesn't show on Spotify PC or web. Okay, after you open the Spotify apps, you can just see in here there is this Spotify Wrap at the top, or you can also click on here. Your 2024 Wrap is here. Okay, so this is my 2024 Wrapped from Spotify. Okay, it's greeting first. It's like some introduction first, so you can just choose which one that you want to share. For example, if you want to share this one, you can just click on the button, share this story to the stories. You can see my minutes listen is this one. Or if you want to share the others, for example, this one, how many songs I played in a year. Okay, you can see this is my top songs. You can also share your top songs to Instagram story by clicking on the bottom, this one, share the story button. Okay, so this is how the story will look like. Let's move again here. Okay, so this is my music evolution. Let's just skip this. And the next one is how many artists I listened to in 2024. And this is my top artists. Okay, you can see at the bottom, share this to story. But if you want to only share the Spotify Wrap, you can go to the end by clicking on the right side of your screen. And this is your Spotify Wrap. So you can see that the background is varied, so you can just choose the background that you want, but the wrap is actually the same, but the different is only the background. So you can just choose which one, and then you can tap on share. Now you can just click on stories in here with the Instagram icon. Okay, so this is how my Spotify Wrap on Spotify, and to share it to your story, your Instagram story, you can just tap on this button, and just like that, your 2024 Wrap will be shared to Instagram. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.